Jiangnan! Already got our goods for our dinner. Hi guys! So today we got our order from Jiangnan. So nag-order lang kami through their website and these only cost 349 pesos. Although pinick up lang namin to sa store, pero may option kayo na mag-book na Lalamove nyo or Foodpanda or Grab. So let's unbox. So we ordered their meat lover. So we got their sauce, Jiangnan special sauce. Ito na yung package na binili natin. So taste the comfort. So let's open. Tcharan! So dito yung mga balls, meat, vegetables. And then nakahiwalay ang soup. So, ang in-order namin ay mild spicy na sabaw. So, ayan sila. Let's eat. And then, this is their special sauce. Although you guys can dine in naman, meron silang mga available rates on their website. By the way, this is not sponsored. Charot. So, ito yung kanilang sauce. Tcharan! Ano yan? Parang peanut sauce or something. Spicy soup. Ilipat lang namin sa lagayan. So, salad lang natin. Ang daming laman. Oh, may vermicelli din. Ang dami niyang laman.
Initin natin siya. Ilalagay natin sa aming silver palm. Guys, ang sarap. Look at guys. Ang daming sabaw.
This is the special sauce ng Jiangnan.
Welcome to Vacay Island.
Oh.
Your hands all at once.
May mga peanut.
We got the facial jitters.
Titikman natin.
Ang daming daming karne.
Sausage.
Sarap siya, guys.